A very warm welcome to Genie's Crochet Corner. Today I'd like to share this lovely chunky one row repeat blanket pattern with you. It can also be used for hats or cardigans. It's just a one row repeat and we're going to be working on a multiple of 2 for the pattern. We're just going to be starting off by working a foundation row, and then we just work our pattern row for as many times as we want. It looks like this from the front and like that from the back, so it is reversible. And it's I'm using a 10mm crochet hook and a 12 ply chunky yarn, and it works up really quickly, nice and soft and cuddly, especially for a baby's blanket. So I'm just going to start off with my 10mm crochet hook and the chunky 12 ply yarn. I'm going to make my slip knot, and we're going to be working on a multiple of 2. So I'm going to just chain 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12. So I've got my multiples of 2, and we're just going to be working a foundation row of double crochet into each chain across. So I'm going to miss the first 1, 2 chain from the hook, so missing the first, the second chain from the hook, and I'm going to work a double crochet into the third chain, and these 2 chain count as a stitch and as the turning chain. So just for the foundation row, we just work 1 double crochet into each chain across. You can use this pattern on a thinner ply yarn and a smaller hook. It'll work up just as great. It's quite a solid pattern, and make a lovely cuddly soft blanket. So just a double crochet into the last chain. So we've got our foundation row for the first pattern row. So just for the pattern row, so chain 1, 2, turn your work. These 2 chain count as a stitch and as the turning chain. So we're going to miss this stitch here, and we're going to work a front post double crochet around the second stitch. So just a front post double crochet, and then into the next stitch just a double crochet, and then a front post double crochet around the next stitch, and a double crochet into the following stitch. In a front post around the following stitch, front post double crochet, and then a double crochet into the next stitch. We just repeat that. So your front post double crochet, and then a double crochet. Come to our last 2 stitches. We work a front post around the following stitch, and we've come to our two chain, our turning chain. we're going to work a double crochet into the second chain, and this is a pattern stitch. So I'm just going to work another row with you. So chain 1, 2, turn your work. The 2 chain count as a stitch and as a turning chain, so we don't use the stitch here. Round the next stitch we work a front post, double crochet, and then a double crochet into the next stitch, and then a front post, double crochet around the following stitch, and then a double crochet into the next stitch. And we just repeat that till the end. That is your pattern row. You repeat as many times as you want. So our front post, double crochet, and then just a double crochet. Front post, double crochet, and then just a double crochet. Front post, double crochet, and we've come to our turning chain, our 2 chain. Just work a double crochet into the second chain. Nice and easy pattern stitch for a beginner, and it works up really quickly with a chunky yarn and a big crochet hook, and it looks like that. It is reversible, and it's great for blankets, hats, cardigans, and possibly you could make a bag, a tote bag out of it, because it is quite a solid pattern stitch. I do hope this tutorial has been useful and helpful to you. Until next time, enjoy crocheting.